In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, lived a young orphan girl named Alara. Her parents had passed away when she was just a baby, and the villagers took turns caring for her. Despite her circumstances, Alara grew up to be a spirited and kind-hearted girl, always eager to help others and explore the world around her. Alara's favorite spot was an ancient oak tree at the edge of the forest. She would often sit under its sprawling branches, reading stories and dreaming of adventures far beyond the village. One day, while she was lost in a particularly exciting tale, she heard a faint rustling in the bushes nearby. Curiosity piqued. Alara cautiously approached and found a tiny, injured fox cub. Gently scooping up the cub, Alara rushed back to the village healer, an elderly woman named Marin. Marin, impressed by Alara's compassion, taught her how to care for the cub. Over the following weeks, Alara and the fox, whom she named Finn, became inseparable. As Finn's strength returned, the two ventured deeper into the forest, uncovering its hidden wonders. One evening, while exploring a part of the forest they had never been to before, Alara and Finn stumbled upon a hidden glade. At its center stood a small, weathered stone shrine covered in intricate carvings. Intrigued, Alara traced her fingers over the symbols, and to her astonishment, the shrine began to glow. From the light emerged a figure, an ancient guardian of the forest. The guardian revealed that Alara's parents had once been protectors of the forest, and their bravery had saved the village from a great evil. In recognition of her parents' sacrifice, the guardian bestowed upon Alara a gift, the ability to communicate with animals and understand the secrets of the forest. With her newfound abilities, Alara became a bridge between the villagers and the forest creatures, helping to maintain harmony and balance. She shared her parents' legacy of courage and kindness, becoming a beloved figure in the village.